Daily affirmations to attract love. Listen or watch it every day for better results. Please make sure you're sitting or lying down in a safe place. Do not listen while driving or operating machinery. Put on your headphones, and let's begin. For more detailed instructions, please check the video description. I am worthy of love and deserve to receive love in abundance. I attract loving and caring relationships into my life. I am open to giving and receiving love. My heart is open, and I welcome love into my life. I radiate love and attract loving people into my life. I deserve to be in a healthy, loving relationship. Love flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am surrounded by love everywhere I go. I trust the universe to bring my perfect match to me. I attract love by being my authentic self. I am grateful for the love that is coming my way. My soulmate is drawn to me with ease. I am ready for a loving, committed relationship. I believe in love at first sight and open my heart to it. I attract healthy, positive relationships into my life. I love myself and attract love from others. I am deserving of a deep, passionate love. I attract loving and supportive partners. I am open to love in all forms. I am surrounded by people who love and care for me. I trust the journey of love and the process of finding my match. Love is abundant in my life. I attract love that feels safe, secure, and fulfilling. My heart is open to giving and receiving love freely. I am attracting a partner who truly values and loves me. I am confident and radiate self-love. I attract romantic experiences that make my heart sing. I am open to meeting new people who bring love into my life. I am a magnet for loving relationships. I trust the universe to guide me to my true love. I am in love with the idea of love. I believe in my ability to attract true love. I release past hurt and open my heart to new love. I am worthy of being cherished and adored. I am attracting the perfect partner for me. My heart is ready to receive true love. I attract relationships that help me grow. I am deserving of a partner who respects and honors me. I am ready to love and be loved deeply. Love comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am attracting unconditional love. I am grateful for the loving relationships I have in my life. I trust the timing of love in my life. I deserve a partner who makes me feel loved and appreciated. I am creating space for my perfect relationship. I attract love that aligns with my highest self. My soulmate is attracted to my positive energy. I am open to the love that is meant for me. I attract love that is authentic and true. I am ready to share my life with someone special. Don't wait any longer to change your life. Subscribe today for more daily affirmations videos.